Game 2. Panthers had success in Tampa during the regular season, picking up 5 of a possible 8 points. There's Forsling with a shot, and that's handled by Vasilevsky 54 seconds in. On the puck for Tampa Bay. Now Brayden Point scored twice, including the game winner in the series opener. Back out for Ruda, and now Kucherov into the slot for a shot, and that's stopped by Driedger off the stick of Point.
A good save for Driedger early on.
Here's Tyler Johnson cutting wide. Johnson with a shot. Driedger has it. Gudas moves it up the right side. Here comes Jonathan Huberdeau in across the Lightning line. Centering pass. Score! The Panthers strike first. It's Sam Bennett in his return from the one-game suspension. Out by Matthew Joseph in his return to the lineup. Played in all 56 regular season games. A scratch in game 2. Here's Acciari off a turnover. Fires wide. And he's held up. Textbook hip check by Gudas. Palat jumps on the puck for Tampa Bay. Palat stick handling, moves it back out. Chernak with a shot, and that's gloved by Driedger. And Point. Huberdeau wins the draw. Back to Forsling. Then across to the right side. Shot by Gudas was blocked. Another shot. Score! 2-0 Florida. Radko Gudas on his second attempt. So the Panthers with 2 goals on their first 4 shots. Now Weegar through a screen, missed the net. Here comes Anthony Duclair cutting wide on McDonough. Centering pass and a save on Verhaeghe by Vasilevsky.
And catch their forward speed. You see right here, Stralman the pass to Anthony Duclair. He's able to get going wide and the play to Verhaeghe, and that's a good save for Vasilevsky. Success against him.
Off the draw, shot by Weegar was blocked. It knocked the stick out of the hands of Joseph. He into the left of Driedger. Verhaeghe back to play the puck. Under 9 minutes remaining, first period. Glove save by Driedger. Shouldered by Colton. As the Panthers move the puck ahead. There's Vetrano. His wrist shot is handled by Vasilevsky. Blake Coleman dropping it back off for Sergachev. He moves it and shoots. Turned aside by Driedger. 2-0 on goals from Bennett and Gudas. Here's Tyler Johnson. Cuts to the net. Backhand shot, and Driedger got a piece of it. Sergachev back onto the stick of Stamkos. Shoots. It's blocked. And then a backhand shot by Cirelli turned aside. Worked back out to the point. And a save by Driedger on Sergachev. Puck cleared out by Forsling. The Panthers with 2 goals the first 7 minutes, 5 seconds. On the road, leading the Tampa Bay Lightning 2-0. Here is Coleman with a wrist shot. That gets knocked down by the glove of Driedger. Kept in the zone by Verhaeghe. Verhaeghe for Nudavara. Cross-ice pass, deflects towards the net. Kept out by Vasilevsky. Vasilevsky moves the puck ahead to Ruda. Now it's Brayden Point. Hedman across the line. One final shot, gloved by Driedger. And that will do it. Puck comes out to the right point for Savard. Now Maroon. Maroon met by Weegar. Back out towards the point. Puck deflected by Lomberg. And Forsling is on it for the Panthers. Here comes Verhaeghe. Verhaeghe with a shot. And that Verhaeghe back around to the near side. Killorn on it for the Lightning. Here's Hedman with some room. Shoots. Score! Cirelli setting up in front. The Lightning cut the Panthers lead in half.
Going in the corner, but you watch how Nudavara kind of loses track of Cirelli in front. That just simply is not good enough. I mean, an easy put away for Cirelli, and Cirelli who had several good opportunities.
And now it is Duclair. Moves it and shoots. Vasilevsky gets a piece of that one. Panthers keep the puck alive. Nudavara with a shot, and that's gloved through a screen by Vasilevsky.
That good hard working shift.
Boards and out. Now a shot by Verhaeghe, knocked down and covered by Vasilevsky.
That's a good save there by Vasilevsky. That's a good chance for Verhaeghe. And
Bennett plays the puck. Kept it away from Gord. Puck set up the middle. Here comes Tippett. Spins and shoots. Saved by Vasilevsky. Then across, and a good defensive play by Forsling. He kept it away from Coleman. Colton with the puck once again, knocked to his knees, then shoots and scores. We are tied at 2. Only 2 shifts in the first period here tonight. Pass picked off by McDonough. McDonough towards the net. Score! Beautiful setup from McDonough. And the Lightning take a 3-2 lead. Into the Tampa Bay zone. Knocked to the ice. Our first penalty. Panthers to the power play. Florida 1 for 6 on the power play in the series. Montour with the puck. Cross ice from Bennett to the left circle. Shot by Huberdeau is blocked. And now Bennett with a backhand shot. Puck loose. Bennett with it again. Looks to truck it through, but he could not. And now a drive by Montour. Stopped by Vasilevsky. Scramble for the puck. Still no whistle. And finally the play blown dead. For Weegar. Remember, no Keith Yandle, the usual power play quarterback. Shot by Wennberg. He scores! With 4 seconds remaining on the penalty, the Panthers tie the game at 3. Now an opportunity for Verhaeghe, but the puck knocked off his stick, picked up by Barkov, but a penalty for hooking. Victor Hedman. Now Steven Stamkos back out to Hedman, to the far circle in front point. He scores! The Lightning go back on top. Brayden Point with a power play goal. Out to Gudas, already has a goal tonight. Shot was blocked by Palat. Now the outlet pass, he's hooked by Gudas. And the Lightning will go back on the power play. Near side, Stamkos fires, and Driedger got a piece of that one. Now Point, back out, Hedman. Hedman looking for the redirect in front. They score! Alex Killorn makes it 5-3 Tampa Bay, another power play goal. Lightning winning the first 2 games 5-4 and 3-1 as bodies collide in front of the Panthers bench, and a penalty for boarding will be assessed on far circle. The return for Alexander Barkov. Now Huberdeau. Huberdeau with 2 assists tonight. Huberdeau towards the net. Hornquist scores!
It's going to count. It's not a kicking motion. You're allowed to redirect the puck with your skate. You just can't make a distinct kicking motion. That is a real crafty play by good work by the Tampa forward to negate that path, that cross-ice play.
Hedman takes the puck away from Montour. Panthers get it back. Moving it is Forsland with a shot. He scores! With 3:07 remaining. Goose pass picked off, intended for Cernak. Here come the Panthers. Marchment moving in with a shot. Puck bounces out in front. And now it's Kucherov for the Lightning. Stamkos took a hard hit. Here come the Panthers, and a penalty. A Florida penalty for the hit on Stamkos. Down to 5. Hedman from center ice. Game 3 headed to overtime. Lightning will. Marchment back out. Here's Gudas moving in with a drive. That did not get through. There's Verhaeghe. Verhaeghe dropping it back off. Barkov with the puck. Back to Verhaeghe. Out in front for Barkov, and the save by Vasilevsky. Here comes Gudas. In across the Tampa Bay line. Gudas with a shot. That's smothered by Vasilevsky. Here comes Tippett back the other way for Florida. Poked off his stick by Sergachev. Here's Colton moving in with a shot, and
fans like goals. They'll be happy.
Face off to the right of Bobrovsky. Panthers clear the puck out, and now moving in with a shot is Lundberg. He scores! The only Panther who did not have a shot on goal in regulation, Ryan Lundberg with the overtime winner.